they definitely own the streets. That's theirs. They have the blockade up and holding their ground. No one's getting to there. Trying to get everyone out of here.
What are you, really? You're gonna intimidate us like that?
I know that they have like frequency plastic machines as well down the street.
What are you going to do?
The day will come that all of us are going to stand together. They'll stand with us one day, but it's not today. But the day will come because this isn't going to stop. That's not going to stop. So we'll all have to stand up together eventually.
And we are peacefully holding space. We've got a whole bunch of freedom people peacefully holding space. Attempting to engage the officers. For the most part, from what I've seen, the officers. I can't believe that what you think you're doing is right.
The day will come, they'll stand with us. That day will come.
And you know what?
Because this won't end. Oh yeah, we are all Canadians. We'll stand together that day. We will. This isn't ending. This isn't going to end here. Guard for thee.
I got
And that's not a coincidence. That's because they do the devil's work here. So there is occupation here in Ottawa. The thing is, it's being set up by the forces. That's it. They have their fences set up. They're occupying. Yep. There you go. The police escort out.